Hey everyone, I'm going to do a video of my 42-inch Hugger ceiling fan by Aircool. It's manufactured July of 1987, and I got this at Goodwill in November of 2013 for only $1, and that was because the pink ticket items were they were sold for $1 that week, so items with the pink tag were only $1, and it was initially listed for $35. Then nobody bought it when it was $17.50 for the 50% off week. Then I thought, I'll be if it's still there. So I checked anyway, and lo and behold, as luck would have it, the box was obscured by some other boxes, but I pulled them away and found this, and since it was only $1, I couldn't pass that up. So came just as you see it, with the 5-light kit and everything, and the globes and everything you see here. So I left it as is. One thing I will say, these Huggers are really tricky to install, especially the 42-inch ones. Well, the 52-inch ones are easier, because I'll explain that. The main reason is on the 42-inch Huggers, the motor, the lugs are directly above the motor, and you have to use Sears Robo Grip pliers. That's the easiest method I would recommend to install these fans. But on the 52-inch ones, you have a little bit, the lugs are spread out, and you can just tighten them with nut drivers. Makes it all the easier. But let's shed a little light on the situation. And this does not have the 3-way setting like most of the 5-light fitters I had, just all or nothing, and that's why I do not have bulbs in the other sockets. One's all you really need, and it's the center globe. So I think we'll turn it off. It's got the common etched 80s type globe, and the ever common, the all too common, the tulip globes. And they look very becoming on this fan. They looks like a miniature dining room fan. And let's have a look at the side band. And it's got straight vents. And it was sold at Stambaugh in the late 80s to early 90s. And ironically, that's where the Goodwill I got it at was formerly Stambaugh, so they kind of took it back where it came from. Let's have a look at the blade. See, there's a reverse switch, and there's the cane inserts right there. And you can see the other side is plain oak. I did not alter anything on this fan at all. Maybe added the pull chain for the fan when I rev it up. See, I think I have it in reverse. Put the downdraft for this video. Okay, let's see if I'm right. Haven't really revved this up much in the wintertime, but I'm going to rev it up now on low. Don't know why it's doing that. See if the noise increases as the speed increases to medium. Might be the ground wire that I didn't hook up. I disregard that sound. Okay, let's try it on high. For a 42-inch Hugger, it really cranks out a lot of air. It's very well balanced too, if you think about it. I think we will power it down now. I apologize for that internal sound. And like I said, I haven't really revved it up much during the winter season. I mean, the bearings are really good on it. I mean, this fan was, in immaculate condition. Like, some of that screening in the vents is a little messed up, but that's okay. I can fix that later. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.